Now, I just think that if a pear's being stabbed in the back, hashtag mood, the color shouldn't be like that as well. So I'm going to go back to adjustments, and there's a hue saturation corner button. So I'm going to click on hue and saturation. And what I'm going to do is there's this hand that goes that has two triangles on it. I'm going to click on that, and what it does is it tells me if it's a yellow or a green, and I can play with how much yellow or green I want, depending on how much color I want. Or I can change the hue a little bit, so the color of it, and don't go too extreme because it makes it go a bit wild. So as you can see here, unless you want to, all right? But remember the mood that you're thinking of. So I don't mind this red, but I might tone down the saturation a bit. I don't know. Maybe that. I'm just going to play with this till I'm happy. Some of you might want to play with brightness and contrast. It's up to you. I'm not really a person that likes to use brightness and contrast much. And there's a few other options for things. You can do vibrance, so that's how much your color is. Once again, it's another color one, but I don't really like that, so I'm not going to do that. I like color balance. So if your image, this will kind of, it's more like the background, or it changes the way the lighting is. So if your lighting is too yellow, if you want it to have more warmth, you can do that, but it looks a bit too unrealistic for me. So I'm going to play with that.